Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's tutorial, we're talking about how to get a 4,000 watch hour within 3 days. Get a 4,000 watch hour within 3 days using Restream. And before you dive into the lesson, do where to subscribe.
Head over to your browser and type Restream.io. Click on it to pop up that Restream.io official site. You click on it, then sign up with the Google account you use in opening your YouTube channel. Sign up with it, then allow it to load. Is loading, then click on Restream Studio, then allow it to load. When it's loading, off your camera, the microphone, then click on Enter Studio. It's loading. It's loading. This interface will pop up. Click on Add Scene. Choose Media. Choose Media. Then these three dots. Click on these three dots. Then pick Video. Click on Video. Then Upload. Click on Upload. Go to the photo library. Then pick the video that you want to use for the Restream. Then allow it to load. It's going to take some time in loading. It will process, analyze, then it will finally load. So it's going to take time when it's loading. Then click on it when it's done loading to upload it. When you upload it, click on that three dots up. You loop the video. Off the volume, you loop it. When you loop it, click on plus channel to add your channel title, like to add the title of the video that you want to use, the description. Then turn on your channel name. Then you save. You can as well schedule your live. You can schedule it. And schedule the time you want the thing to start. You can schedule it. After then, if you don't want to schedule it, you can go live immediately. Immediately you finish uploading it, you can go live.